Good afternoon everyone. Welcome you all in today's class. Today we will discuss how to find the value of unknown coefficient in linear equation of two variables. You can see here two equations are given. First equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Second equation kx minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. This is second equation. From this equation you have to find the value of k. Means in first equation coefficient of x and y are given, but in second equation you can see here coefficient of x is k. Means k is unknown value, then you have to find the value of k. So how to find? So first of all you have to find their ratio similarly by this method. You can see here the condition to find the solution of linear equation in two variables. So there are three conditions. So similarly from this question you have to find their ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So suppose here you will write their coefficient of like variables here. So you can write here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to suppose minus 5. Similarly you will write a2 equal to k, b2 equal to minus 6 and c2 equal to given minus 8. So first of all here condition will be given. So what will be condition? Here you can see here one question, for what value of k will the system of equation have a unique solution? Means the system of equation have a unique solution, no solutions or infinite many solutions. Means the condition to find the system of equation is given. So first of all the condition is given, then you will find the value of k. So similarly you can see here example number 21, but here in this question condition is not given. Example number 21, here condition is given, it has a unique solution. So here you will find the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Here condition what is given? It has a unique solution. The system of equation have a unique solution. So what is the condition to find the solution? To find the unique solution, the condition is given a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So here a1 upon a2 is given 1. So what will be their ratio? 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 minus k upon 2. So similarly you will put the value. In this condition a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 because the equation have a unique solution. So next you will write a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. You will put their value. Now you will find the value. So then the value of k not equal to minus 2 upon 3. Okay. So hence you will write the answer. Question is given here. For what value of k will the system of equation have a unique solution? So the answer will be k not equal to minus 2 upon 3. This is answer. But here given except for k equal to minus 2 upon 3, the system will have a unique solution for all real value of k. But here answer is given k not equal to minus 2 upon 3. Okay. So then except value of k equal to minus 2 by 3, the all real values of k, the system will have a unique solution. Clear? Similarly example number 22, you can see here two equations are given. So similarly you have to find their like coefficient a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Here find the value of k for which the given system of equation has a infinite solution. So what are the condition to? What are the condition if the given equation has an infinite solution? So this is the condition a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Because if you will draw the graph of this equation, then the both lines will be coincident each other. So the condition is given a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So similarly you have to put the value of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, and now you have to find the value of k. So you can take two values, okay, you can compare, means k minus 3 upon k equal to 3 upon k equal to k upon 12. So then you can find three equation, k minus 3 upon k equal to 3 by k. Also you can write like this, 3 upon k equal to k upon 12. Also you can write like this, k minus 3 upon k equal to k upon 12. And from this three equation you can find the value of k. So from the first equation you can see here k equal to 6. From the second equation you will find, so then k equal to plus minus 6, because the value is k square equal to 36. So then two solution you will find of k equal to plus 6 and minus 6. Similarly from this third equation also you will find the value of k equal to 6. So here only that value of k is valid, which satisfy all equation. Here 6 is such a value, therefore k equal to 6. I think everyone understood. Now you have to solve the exercise 3 in your notebook. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can send the questions in my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.